I am Katie Whitaker. I'm a customer care specialist in Fairfield, Ohio, near Cincinnati, Ohio. I've been working in customer service for over 15 years now, and what I enjoy most is making the customer happy. We help customers in the aerospace, automotive, and medical manufacturing industries. I enjoy working with a customer when they call up and they're looking for an item. I can quickly find the availability and get back to them as soon as possible. We're a growing company and we're changing the way we do things to better serve our customers. And that benefits you, saving you money, saving you time, and saving you a lot of headaches.